the beat, Mr. H.
It's going to make you flawless. They are lying to you. That's a big fat lie. They are lying to you. Don't want to use a bleaching cream. A cream that will moisturize your skin is what you want. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So we're just going to get right into this video. So the first thing I do, first of all, let me just clear the notion. I am not a fair skin, not like with Adomic. I don't have like a kind of skin. I don't have a mango skin. I don't have Ogonsiri skin, okay? I am caramel skin. I am close to chocolate skin. I am not close to fair skin, okay? If you are a fair person and you're thinking, oh, John is fair, I am not fair. I just want to let you guys know that I am not a fair skin person. So the first thing I do is I go with my soap. I've made a review on this soap on this channel. I've told you guys how good this soap is. If you have not seen the review I made on this soap, I'm going to leave it in the description box so that you go and watch the video of this soap, how I use this soap, how to differentiate between the original and the fake. Okay, so what I do is I just get a like this and I just wash my face first. So I allow this to stay on my skin. So I've washed my face already. I'm just going to allow the face dry. Dry. I do not use any towel on my face. I just allow my face dry. I usually do every Saturday is I go in with face mask. This is the mask that I use every Saturdays. Turmeric, cowbell, and a face toner. Before I was using this face toner before, but it is finished now. This is the one I'm currently using, this one now, and so far it has been doing a great job. Let's get right into our skincare for the Saturday. So if I take one tablespoon of turmeric powder, I just put it into this container over here. You can use yogurt if you have yogurt, but I just prefer to use cowbell. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of cowbell. Okay, can you see that? 1 tablespoon of your tuna. Mix. Okay, I'm just going to mix with my brush here. These are our results. This is what we have. Okay, so these are our results. This is what we have. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, that's what we have. So what I will just do is just apply it all over my face. You can use this on your body as well. If you have spots on your chest, your back, you can use this. I don't have spots over there, I just have on my face. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this on the areas where I have. Then I have some here, but I'm just going to apply it all over my face here. I'm just going to leave this for 5 to 10 minutes. I mean 10 to 15 minutes on my face, and I'll be back to wash it off. Okay, so I am back. My 15 minutes is over. I am back, and you can see that my face is dry. I'll just go to the bathroom and wash off my face, and I'll be right back. I'm back. As you guys can see, I've washed my face and I am so back. I'm just going to bring you guys closer so that you see my face. This is how it's looking right now. So this is my bathing soap to wash my face, my Cottage Fresh. I just use it to wash my face again. And yeah, so what I normally do after I wash my face, I'll just go over with my facial serum. I use this facial serum. I use the Rochon skincare vitamin C serum. Okay, that's it. Okay. Can you guys see it? That's it. This is the one that I use on my face. This thing is about to even finish itself. Just 1 pump is okay, is enough, honestly, because it's It's just going to spread around your face. Girl, we're looking already glowing, right? We are so glowing, girl. Girl, do this and join the glowing team, okay? Join the glowing club, all right? Can you see my skin? Are you seeing my skin? Can you feel what I am feeling? So the next thing after that is to go over to seal in the moisture, to seal in the vitamin C, this. So I'm almost out of it. I use this thing a lot. So yeah, that's basically what I do for my skin every Saturday. You can do this at night, you can do this in the morning. If you still want to go with so many products, you can go with so many products. But personally for me, this is what I do every Saturdays. I also have like other routines I do a week, and this one is for weekend, and this is what I do, and it is absolutely worth it. Yeah, so if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give me a huge and a massive thumbs up, okay? Please, it helps my channel a lot. It just helps me to know that, oh, you like this kind of videos, okay? And let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.